Yes, you can share your screen, please.
Yes, sir. Good evening, friends, colleagues, and my senior doctors. Myself, Dr. Falguni Trivedi, consultant ophthalmologist in Government Eye Hospital. But today, I'm here to discuss something non-ophthalmic and non-academic, a very interesting subject, a value-added skill. What is it? Commonly used term during recruitment by big companies. Sir, my voice is coming clearly? Hello?
Yes, Falguni, it's coming
Yes, yes,
clearly. Please go on.
it's clear.
Okay. While choosing from candidates who provide a little extra benefit in the form of added skill than the rest of his competitors. A few examples are creativity and art, vocabulary and literature, interpersonal skills. Is it beneficial? Yes. It helps your life by enriching it. It provides new dimension to your life. It breaks monotony of your daily routine, gives us our much needed me time. I am blessed with good voice and have special interest in music, so I would like to speak about music. What is music to me? Music is all about transporting people, speaking a language which language fails to express. To to enjoy music, need not to be a master of it, as long as it makes you happy. Now, I want to share few ideas with all of you about how in this situation of national lockdown can music be a great help? Yes, of course. So let's enjoy let's enjoy all the different pleasures that music gives us. You can start with singing your favorite music, songs or artists whom you admire. You can start singing songs at home through various music apps like Smule, Startmaker, etc. and can send it in your WhatsApp. We also have many karaoke music apps and on YouTube karaoke tracks are also available. Also, you can sing together through video calls or Zoom apps. From my personal experience of all these years, I can surely say that music has such power of soothing, of elevating that it totally transports you to a different realm altogether. Hours and hours just pass without even noticing just by singing different composition of musical notes, the sur, saregama. And I can say this because in all these years also, I have not stopped following my passion for music. I have not stopped doing riyas and stage shows. But what I am experiencing in this lockdown situation is totally different but beautiful experience. I feel more relaxed with music and also more connected to my family. As every evening now we sit together and I sing for my family and they listen, enjoy and feel more happy because my kids and my family feel I am singing for them, which they did not used to feel during my stage performance. You have already seen my video teaser in today morning, how I enjoy my music at my family. I would like to perform one live performance.
Sure, please go ahead. You can exit your screen, please, first, so that we can see you.
एक प्यार
Very nice. Thank you for
Thank
that
you.
live singing. We saw the video also,
Thank,
so it was very nice.
thank you,
And
sir.
yeah, at this moment
Thanks.
we'd
You
like to
too.
ask you,
Yes, sir.
in this lockdown period, have you given some training, music training to anybody, or done anything of that sort?
No, sir. I have given training to myself. I have done some riyas, which was not possible in my routine days. So I have
Right.
done morning
So,
riyas, listen some Shastriya raga, which helps me a lot.
right. Yeah. So you use the time to improve on your own music.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
for a beginner in music, now in these times there are a lot of online helps available, some apps and websites. And can you suggest something for some of these people who are interested, especially the younger ones?
Sir, there are so many applications are available online. There are Small, Star Maker, even Ready Karaoke tracks are also available on YouTube. And if you can download them also. First of all, if you want, you have to decide whether you want to just sing for fun or really you want to make it some at professional level. Because just for fun, you just download that app and just sing at your home. But if you want to do it at some professional level, yes, you have to find out your scale, your suit, and according to that, if you do it, then it will work nicely.
Very nice. So we'll come back to any questions on music a bit later. Uh,
This conference
invite
will now be recorded.
Dr. Bharat Shah to speak on his